Hi there. In the era of AI based interviews and AI conducting the interviews for you, what does it mean to be a human interviewer? How do you add you know, more of a human touch to your interviews? To showcase that, I have one video to show you today. It's not really an interview video, but it will show you one important aspect. Here you go. So in this video, Charles from Weights and Biases wants shape of the transpose function to be implemented. You don't need to know the entire background of what's going on, but just understand that the ask is to implement that shape of the transpose function.
So I'm going to give it a return operation that is going to get the transpose. And then I'm going to get the shape of that. And that is shape of transpose. But if I run this now, it should pass. Oh, it does. Great.
Perfect. Yeah. So actually, one thing that I like about the solution that you chose is that it's like delegating this to other parts of the library. So what does it mean to get the shape of a transpose? It would be get the transpose of the matrix and then get its shape.
Right.
So essentially, Charles wanted the actual implementation not using the library, but instead of pointing it out immediately or being impatient, he appreciated that okay, this is another way of doing it, and this is actually the benefits of doing it using the existing library. Now, it's important that the Scott has not yet got the point, but let's just go through it. What's happening?
You mean like this, like transpose equals matrix.t, and then say return the transposed shape.
Yeah, that's what you did right in that line there. You've just sort of like split it out a little bit to make it more clear. Yeah. Those are doing the same thing. And so the nice thing about that is this is guaranteed to be correct if transpose is implemented correctly, if that T is implemented correctly, and shape is implemented correctly. So that's a really nice solution here, delegating this to the other parts of the library. Let's try and do a different solution where we try and calculate it directly rather than saying, oh, this is the shape of the transpose. Let's try and like get concrete. What exactly is the shape of the transpose of a matrix?
So you want me to do it more manual than calling the library? Is
exactly.
That right?
Yeah.
Okay, so a matrix is coming in.
All right, so that's a very simple example, but it does showcase a few very important aspects of the communication over there, right? Number one, active listening. Number two, being patient, and number three, appreciating the alternative solution that somebody else has provided, but still insisting that okay, I want to know whether you can implement in the way that I am expecting you to do. So that is the approach that FloCareer also takes whenever we train our gig workers to conduct interviews, that how to give the best candidate experience during the technical interview to all the applicants of our clients. Thank you.